Good morning, YouTube. It's 11 a.m. and it's day 3 of our Hampi ride. We are all set to go back to Bangalore and great ride, great memories as always. This time we were a huge group of 30 people, 30 bikes, I mean, and yeah. Okay, this should be a awkwardly fun and challenging ride because I have diarrhea from yesterday night. Yeah, I don't know what I ate yesterday. Me, my dad, and my sister and a friend are facing problems with our stomach, and yeah, I don't know what's up. I don't know what we ate or what's the scene, but we are facing issues with our stomach, and so yeah. ಹೈವೇ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಂಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is such a nice frame, you get a view of all the bikes going. I didn't notice this while coming. It is kind of an incline. Also, there's a tunnel here, which I said earlier. It was the first time I rode my bike in a tunnel. Awesome view. We have a drone photographer waiting on the other side of the lane, so yes, that photographer is none other than the Hassan Roadsters, Mr. Sudan Gowda. That guy is just a magician with his camera. Have you ever seen a 40th anniversary 1200 GSA? We have one. This is gonna look too good. My matte black bike and this black with yellow bike together. Okay, alright, that's about it. Photography done for the day. It's a nice water body over here. This water probably comes from the Tungabhadra dam. So good. This Hampi to Hospet road is just too good. I definitely want to come back here with a faster bike. Butter smooth 4-lane highways, windmills all over. Just too good. Only drawback is there are very less petrol pumps and close to zero restaurants. Even I'm searching for a petrol pump. I have about 7 kilometers of range. No, sigutta. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 3 kilometers ಆಫ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್. ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಡೇ. Okay, it's been around half an hour since I diverted towards Bangalore from Hospet Road. There is crazy truck traffic over here. Never ever I have seen this much. I think in around half an hour, 40 minutes, I'll be reaching my lunch point, which is near Sira Kamat. So yeah, the ride is going great. At least this traffic is ನಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾರು ಬರೋದು outside. There was actually a truck stuck on the opposite side of the road, and all the trucks started coming on the wrong way. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್. The car guys will take at least half an hour more than what we will take to reach. That much traffic is there.